Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase population in Township. Increasing your population in Township is all about balancing two key numbers, your current population and your population cap. You can grow beyond the cap, so the first step is to expand it. To do this, unlock and build your community structures, as this directly raise your town's population limit. Once your cap is higher, the next step is to boost your actual population by constructing houses. Each type of housing adds a specific number of residents, so the more you build, the more your population rises. For example, once a bungalow is finished, it immediately increases your town's numbers. In short, expand your COP with community buildings, then grow your population with housing. This combination keeps your township thriving. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.